I'm gonna give you a different angle this time. Let's see here. You know, I think I should actually do this front side right here too, just so that that very edge didn't want to get hooked on there. Sounds like a duck. Okay. Put that back on. Get the threaded on there. Now see, it's reversible thread, so see, I gotta go like backwards like I'm loosening it up. And then I want that all the way up. And I'm just going to tighten her down. And see, it can only go up so high before it actually hits the toilet. You know? And every time I think about tightening this, I've gotta think about it. Yeah, okay, that way. I'm just going to give it one little turn, not very much, okay? Make sure that free floats like that, and it does. Now I can hook up the end. You pull this little flapper goodie off. Make sure you remember how it goes and where it gets hooked on and all that. Now let's try it again, shall we? You ready for this? Here we go. Look at that. That does not stick at all. One more job down the toilet. Now that you think you got it fixed, let's flush it one more time. I'm all about checking my work out. I don't want to do it once and then think I've got it and then have somebody else come back and call me a week later saying, "Hey Joe, it's still sticking." And I'm on the other side of town or something, and I've already charged them for this, and I don't want to drive back here and fix this again. Do it. Double check your work so that you don't have to come back to it, okay? Let's make another flush here. It's looking good. I don't think I could even... See, the key is you don't even want to see if you can even make it stick. Because if you can, by pushing this, and if it's just barely hitting there, you want to take this off and trim that back off a little bit more, okay? There you go. Just with some few simple tools, you've got it fixed yourself. Had you called a plumbing service tech, how much do you think that would have cost? He wouldn't have needed any parts, would he? But it's his time. Once he comes inside your door, if he's there for 5 minutes, or a half hour, it's going to be 95 big Somalis for you, if not more. So you just saved yourself some money. Probably the most difficult part of this job is to make sure you're careful with this top. You don't want to drop it and where you store it. You don't want to have somebody whack it or have slippery hands and pull it off and try to grab it with one hand. You break this, it's all over. You don't want to do that. Okay. Let's get everything put back. It's a sign of good workmanship is to make it look like you were never there. Ready for the next customer.